In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable email notification. So first of all, we are going to go to our Manage Configurations, and then we're going to work with our DDC parameters. And to do that, we're going to click on that little pen, and that will list all the DDC parameters in our DDC file. So from here, we are now going to edit a couple of parameters relating to emails. So first and foremost is the admins, and that is just because, we are in charge of everything here. So I'm going to add my email address there. Then we're going to go down to the mail CFG parameters, and you'll see they'll start the log app report, not yet. Then mail, attach a trace file, the size, authorized user, and that is myself. And we are just going to add the necessary information here. Here we're going to put in the actual primary, because we want to get from both the primary and the standby servers. So we are good with that. The port we are using is 465. Remember, you need to tick each one of them so that the GUI can accept them. The protocol we are using is SSL. I'm using Gmail, so I'm going to smtp.gmail.com, and we want that also for the DR server. So we click on that, and then we are happy with the rest of it, and we're going to go down because we need to indicate send mail flag. Please make that yes, and do the same for the DR side. And success mail, okay, that's yes, and we are happy. And you'll see further on it will require the password for your authorized user, which you can also then add. I'm not going to show mine, I just want to show you that it is there. So at the bottom you'll have to add your password for Gmail. So at this stage we have now edited some of the important parameters for email notification. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to say submit that, because we want Dbvisit Standby to accept those parameter changes. Cool. And then we want to go and we want to do some actions to see if we are going to get emails from these hosts. So first of all, let's go and send some logs manually. And you can see that it shows sending a heartbeat message. So that is telling us something already. In our configuration, one of the things was if you enable the send mail flag, it will send a heartbeat message when you run Dbvisit for either the send or reply of the logs. Okay, so let's have a look and see if we've got some emails. So first of all, there's the heartbeat message, and you can see that. So that's the email saying something was happening, and here we've got a successful mail saying that there was a successful run of the archive logs that was transferred. Okay, so let's have a look when we apply logs. Again, let's have a look. There it says Dbvisit standby processing successful, and this was for the applying on the standby side. So as you can see, we are getting emails now. We can go one step further and look at the log gap report. Based on the information that we've put in the DDC parameters, we can even ask to receive an email when we run a log gap report. There we've got our log gap report, and if we go to our email, you'll see that we've got a log gap report, and it is giving us this in a nice HTML format. So this concludes how you would go about enabling email notification with Dbvisit Standby.